So I was very cold. I tried covering myself, guys, but it didn't work. Then I said to myself, why not try pepper soup? That thought alone bettered this recipe, turkey pepper soup. It tasted super good, very delicious, and guess what? It worked. Now let me show you how to make it. I will start by introducing the ingredients. The first one here is our frozen scent leaf. If you have fresh one, perfect. Here is our seasoning, garlic ginger paste, our turkey. This is our blended crayfish, pepper and onion mix. Here is our pepper spice, paprika, and mixed herbs. Now you can screenshot it, okay? So you don't leave out any. Now let's get cooking. In a pot, go in with your washed turkey. Next is to season with some salt and seasoning. Please, we are making use of 1 cube for now. The other one will come later. And if you are making big portion of pepper soup, do well to increase all the ingredients, okay? All right, here is our ginger garlic paste. Add reasonable amount of it. 2 teaspoons is fine. Next ingredient is mixed herbs. Go in with a teaspoon of it. For those that will be asking, where do I get the ingredient? How do I source it? You don't have to worry yourself. Just go to any African store or local store near you. You will find all the ingredients there, including the pepper soup spice. Okay? Now go in with your pepper, onion mix, a little bit of paprika, teaspoon of it, and give it a stir. We are going to steam it first. That is to say, we are not adding any water for now. We want the turkey to absorb all the ingredients we've added so far. Just know that by steaming it, the turkey is going to come out very tasty and flavorful. And we are sure of creating a truly satisfying meal. Don't skip this process, okay? Now let's cover it and allow it to cook. Checking back after cooking for 2 minutes. This is how it's looking. Go ahead and give it a nice stir. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, snacks, and lots more. So dear, if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell as well, so you get updated each time I post new video. Thank you. If you noticed, guys, we've added some water. Please take note. The water you're using should equate the ingredients you're using. Also, the amount of water you use now determine the quantity of your pepper soup. As simple as that. Cover it and bring to a boil just like so. Now, go in with your pepper soup spice. I'm using 2 teaspoons of it. The one I'm using is very strong, so if yours is not, you might increase it to 3 or 4 teaspoons, okay? Next is our ground crayfish. Go in with generous amount of it. You cannot go wrong with crayfish, okay? Go in with the remaining seasoning. Next is our pepper onion mix as desired. Remember, we are making pepper soup, so you need to add enough pepper to give it that hotness we are looking for. Afterwards, we stir, cover it, and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. All right? And if you have watched to this extent, you've done so well. Thank you so much. Please help me like this video so that others can see it and learn as well. Now, this is after 2 to 3 minutes and we are checking. Go in with the scent leaf. This is frozen scent leaf. Like I said earlier, if you have the fresh one, perfect, guys. So this is time to introduce it and stir. Oh my. Guys, we are almost done. Yes. Almost. Let's test for salt. It's very, very important. Tasty, guys. Let's cover it up again just for a few seconds. Yes, because the scent leaf is frozen and it's a bit hot. Yeah. And I still went ahead to garnish it all with some leafy greens. Please, if your scent leaf is fresh, you don't need to do this one here. It's ready. Our turkey pepper soup is set, guys. And it's time to plate it, no wasting time. So, this is us plating our delicious turkey pepper soup. Good for the weather, guys. If you're cold, try this recipe. It works like magic. Let me seize this medium to appreciate all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all your support. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you all. And we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you for joining me in this culinary adventure. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and like it, share for others to see, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.